they have, for all capitals of the world, hyphened India, Pakistan together again. For times to come, people were concerned about this region being a nuclear flashpoint. And we used to say...
Conclude, please.
Mr. Chairman, we used to say that nahi, we are a responsible country because the fingers were always pointed at Pakistan. Pakistan will be the irresponsible nuclear state. Guess which country proved itself to be a nuclear state, but an irresponsible one, which was willing to go up the escalation ladder? It was India, Mr. Chairman. Lastly, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
Lastly, Mr. Chairman, I think Prime Minister Modi thought that by saying something aggressively enough and by doing something which is very illegal, they can change the geography and reality of the region. And once they start calling a dispute not a dispute, the dispute would stop being a dispute. And when President Trump says in his truth tweet that he would like to play a role in solving this dispute, I want to remind everyone President Trump represents a country which is a deep partner of India at the moment, where they have an alliance of sorts. So now, the interesting thing that we see, and I am absolutely concluding now,
Thank you.
was that...
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ji. Please wind up, Karne.
The same India that Pakistan ki har baat ko jhoota kehta tha, jaise hi Secretary Rubio and President Trump sent their tweets out on the role that they had played in the ceasefire and that they would like for India and Pakistan to resolve all their disputes and go on the negotiating table. The same India, the same Indian press and the same Indian officials starting calling President Trump and Secretary Rubio liars also. So it seems that the lying problem is pervasive all over the world, and the theatrics that we saw from India, which had actually attacked Karachi and Fatah, Karachi ko bhi kar liya tha, Lahore ko bhi kar liya tha, Islamabad ko bhi kar liya tha. Sirf such, the only truth in this world seems to be emanating from that country which displayed its theatrics and its society's implosion in broad daylight, visible to the whole world.